Identify high probability setups in 15 minutes or less. Place your trade whether it's a buy or a sell, put your stop loss and take profit, and you can literally set and forget. You can go to work, you can go to the gym, you can do whatever you want. All you need to do is occasionally check up on the trade to see if it has hit your take profit. And then just 2 hours later, your profits have been made. First, let's define day trading using the Google definition. And this is where you buy and sell an asset over the period of a single day's trading with the intentions of profiting from small price fluctuations. So this just means basically we're getting in and out of the market, and often we're not holding trades for more than a day. A huge problem that so many traders face is understanding whether you should be looking for buys or whether you should be looking for sells. So the simplest way to do this is by using this indicator right here. So if you click the indicators tab at the top of your screen, and then if you type in EMA 20, 50, 100, and 200 and apply that to your charts. If you open the indicator up in the top left of your screen, we only need the bottom 3. So this is the 50 EMA, the 100 EMA, and the 200 EMA. And when the 50 EMA is less than the 100, which is less than the 200, this indicates that we are only looking for sells on this market. Therefore, this means that the trend is to the downside. And as you guys know, you make so much more money when you're trading with the trend. You know, we're not looking at taking trades directly off of the EMAs, but we're just using them for a directional bias. I'm going to remove the EMAs, but please keep in the back of your mind that we are only looking for sells on this market. Have you ever wondered where you get into a position, you think the market's going to go lower, what ends up happening is you get stopped out, and then the market goes in the intended direction? And the reason why this happens is because the market is always looking at seeking liquidity. And all liquidity is where all of the money is resting within the markets. This is often in the form of stop losses and also in the form of buy stops and sell stops. Because we're looking for sells on this market, we need to see a run of buy-side liquidity. And therefore, we can go ahead and mark on the London session high. And what this move right here will be doing is enticing traders, thinking that this is a breakout and thinking that the market is going to go higher. But remember, our directional bias is looking for shorts on this market. And so once we've seen a run of buy-side liquidity, we're then looking for a confirmation during a kill zone. Just so this is very, very clear, the Asian session is between 7 p.m. until 12 o'clock midnight. The London session is 3 a.m. until 5 a.m. And the New York session is from 8 a.m. until 10 a.m. And these are New York times. So now that we've seen a run of buy-side liquidity, we're simply waiting for a bearish confirmation during the New York kill zone. You can see this is exactly what we get right here, and therefore we can enter a sell position on the break of this candle low. Invalidation goes above the liquidity sweep, and then we can simply target a mechanical 1 to 2 risk to reward. You know, so this strategy only requires around 15 to 20 minutes every single day. And once you are triggered in the trades, it's literally set and forget. So we're triggered short in this trade right here. And it's literally either stop loss is hit or take profit is hit. There's no micromanaging. We need to literally just allow this trade to play out. And you know, once you are executed into the trade, this is then where you can just go about your day. You can go to work, go to the gym. You can literally do whatever you want. So we're triggered short right here, and you can see during the New York session, this trade hit take profit in literally less than 60 minutes. And just in case anybody's thinking that I'm cherry picking this trade, let me show you the analysis that was sent to the exclusive community ahead of time. Let me show you the exact entry that was also sent to my exclusive members. And also let me show you execution proof of this trade right here. Because I know there's a lot of fake traders on YouTube who are just cherry picking examples and they do not have execution proof of what they are talking about. And so just to recap this trade right here, one, we had clear directional bias. We used the EMAs to establish that. Two, we seen a run of buy side liquidity during a New York kill zone. Three, we seen our bearish confirmation. And four, this was literally set and forget. It was either stop losses hit or take profit was hit. And this was for a mechanical 1 to 2 risk to reward. And this trade hit take profit in less than 60 minutes. And so this is the exact strategy that I trade every single day within the market. And I just want to be even more transparent with you guys. So this right here is a 100K FTMO challenge. This challenge was started on the 14th of February. And it was last updated on the 14th of March. We're currently running plus $8,867, which is a profit target of 8.86%. You can see I am abiding to the max daily loss. The maximum drawdown on this account was only 1.84%, and we're currently very close to the profit target, which is $10,000. Again, here is the exact execution proof of this trade right here. It's this one right here that I've just highlighted, just so you guys can further see the execution proof of this trade from my FTMO terminal. If you want to become funded and consistently profitable, then make sure to check out my free Discord community. The link is in the description down below. However, if you do want results faster, then make sure to check out my one-on-one mentorship, where I guarantee to get you funded and consistently profitable in less than 90 days. As always, thanks so much for your time and support, and you take care, guys. Bye-bye.